Let's hope this grass doesn't start getting itchy. I don't want my skin to be red and inflamed after this. If I find one single ant on me because you forgot the blanket, I'll throw it on you. Same with any ticks in my tail. I will put it in your bed. The meteor shower is supposed to start this way. Okay. I'm shocked that we're the only ones in this clearing. Granted, you have to know it and walk through some trees, but it really is a great spot for this. Only because I know that you like this spot. Great for you. Meh for me. What's so special about this, anyway? Why do you want to come and see this? Well, if you want to see something pretty, just look to your left. Hi. I'm just kidding. So, you just want to see them because they're pretty? You can always watch recordings or go by yourself. You don't have to drag me out of my room to see these with you. Eyes to the sky, like a little dreamer. You look like an excited dog waiting for a treat. I get it. You're excited for the rocks to burn. Ooh, thinking about meteors like that. Maybe they do have some interest in them. Little falling, burning rocks. How long until they fall? I don't want to wait here bored for too long. That's too long of an estimate. A whole 30-minute time frame when it could start. I mean, I'm here. I don't have much of a choice but to wait it out, as much as I want to be in my room. But, on the bright side, it's nighttime. I don't have to worry about the sun basically burning me while we wait and watch the shower. Do you feel the same way about stars as you do the shower? That the stars are pretty? Because I actually share that interest. The stars are one of the reasons I like the night. That's the only saving grace of tonight. Lots of stars to keep me entertained, as much as I'd rather be in my room on my computer. And I guess spending time with you is pretty alright too. But mainly the stars. That's the main thing. The moon too. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's not a meteor. That is a firework. I mean, even so, it was to the left of us, you idiot. And started sooner than you said. I'm just teasing you. Did you know it was a fireworks show and not a meteor shower? You're a tricky one. I guess maybe I should have looked into the meteor shower proposal a little closer then. But I also didn't expect you to lie to me, so maybe I was justified. Well, what are these fireworks for? It's not a holiday. I don't think. Your tail. You know what wrapping tails means, right? Well, I'll wrap it tighter. Just because it's comfortable. Was this your plan? Get me out of the house, watch the fireworks show, and wrap our tails. Essentially. Confess. Well, it was a good plan. Though, it would have been just as romantic if you chucked an energy drink at me and gave me a kiss after. Hmm? Mm. Mm. I just kissed you with our tails wrapped and under the stars while watching a fireworks show. Well, now you're just missing the energy drink. I'm just kidding, obviously. This is nice. I don't regret coming out of my room much anymore with what's happened. Come on, let's get closer. Let me rest my head on you. Thanks. Really. I never thought somebody would like me like how you do. Especially not tolerate such soft behavior from me. Like wanting to be close to watch the fireworks. Thank you. And even though it's quite early into this, I love you. Have loved you. Thank you for seeing that, even if I quite often failed to show it. I love you so much. Hey guys, Scratch here. I realized that at the end, whenever I was getting softer, that the goth voice slipped. I know it did, but I didn't feel like re-recording it, so shit. It's okay. You guys forgive me. Anyway, I took a little bit of a break from making videos, but I'm back now. Videos every other day. But yeah. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I love interactive comments. Anyway, this far, so why not subscribe? Join the Patreon and the Discord. And yeah. Bye bye.